I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media. Thank you for joining us today. Nextech3D.ai, formerly Nextech AR Solutions, a generative AI-powered 3D model supplier to major e-commerce retailers, has filed to change its name to Nextech3D.ai to better reflect its ongoing AI-powered business. The company plans to dual list onto the NASDAQ Capital Market and has confidentially submitted a draft registration statement on Form F-1 to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in advance of a potential future offering of its securities in the United States. Nextech3D.ai, a diversified augmented reality AI technology company, leverages proprietary artificial intelligence to create 3D experiences for the metaverse, focusing on creating 3D web AR photorealistic models for the prime e-commerce marketplace as well as other online retailers. The company also announced that a large enterprise customer, part of Wesfarmers, one of Australia's largest listed companies and largest employers, whose businesses include Bunnings, Kmart Group, Officeworks, and others, has renewed and expanded its contract for more than 1,000 3D models. This follows the recent renewal and expansion of a contract with a major e-commerce brand for 3,000 3D models, as well as an enterprise renewal contract with an S&P 400 company for more than 5,000 3D models. Management believes these enterprise renewal contracts, along with its multi-year supply agreement with Amazon, strengthens Nextech3D.ai's position in the 3D models for the e-commerce industry. Evan Gappelberg, Nextech3D CEO, has joined us to discuss today's news. Welcome, Evan.
Thank you, Cassandra. So today's news, we announced some pivotal news that we are now filed to uplist onto the NASDAQ capital markets. We also announced that we have officially changed our name to Nextech3D.ai, which really aligns perfectly with our technology as we make 3D models, and AI is the technology that allows us to scale the production of 3D models. But we also announced a large enterprise renewal and expansion contract with a major retailer for over 1,000 3D models. This major retailer is owned by the conglomerate Wesfarmers Group, which is one of Australia's largest listed companies and whose businesses include Bunnings, Kmart Australia, Officeworks, and others. And they've been a great customer of ours, buying 3D models for their e-commerce business for the past 12 months plus. And so this is really just a testament to our business being strong and quite robust, because we announced another renewal contract and expansion contract just a couple of weeks back for 3,000 3D models. And on top of that, we announced an S&P 400 company expanded and renewed their contract for over 5,000 3D models. And we've announced a number of times that Amazon is our biggest customer, and Amazon continues to buy thousands of 3D models from Nextech every single month. And that number is only getting bigger and growing. And that really represents a very, very strong foundation for Nextech3D.ai's position in the 3D modeling for e-commerce business. And so we see this as a decade-long mega trend. Today's news really is about moving the platform, moving our technology, moving our public company onto the NASDAQ, where there's institutional investors, there's much, much larger pools of capital. We believe we belong on NASDAQ with the other emerging AI technology companies that have pivotal generative AI technology, which Nextech does. We have filed a number of patents related to this technology, and we feel very confident that this technology is going to allow us to dominate the $5.5 trillion e-com ecosystem as it pivots from flat 2D photography to interactive and immersive 3D models. We see this as a key growth sector within the NASDAQ market. And today's news is that we are going to be joining the NASDAQ public listed companies in the future, and that we have applied to NASDAQ. Thank you.
Thank you, Evan. The company has a history of developing or acquiring what management believes are disruptive technologies, and after commercializing them, spins them out as standalone public companies by issuing a stock dividend to shareholders while retaining a significant ownership stake in the spinout. On October 26, 2022, Nextech3D.ai spun out its spatial computing platform, ARway.ai. ARway.ai is disrupting the augmented reality wayfinding market with a no-code, no-beacon spatial computing platform enabled by visual marker tracking. Nextech3D.ai retained 13 million shares in ARway and distributed 4 million shares to its shareholders. ARway.ai is currently listed on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol ARWY, in the U.S. on the OTCQB under the symbol ARWYF, and internationally on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange under the symbol E65. On June 14, 2023, the company completed a spin-out of Toggle3D.ai, a groundbreaking SaaS solution that utilizes generative AI to convert CAD files, apply stunning 4K texturing, and enable seamless publishing of superior 4K 3D models. Following the same plan, the company retained 13 million shares in Toggle3D.ai and distributed 4 million shares to its shareholders. Toggle3D.ai is trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol TGGL and in the US on the OTC Pinks under the symbol TGGLF. With all this going on and considering its shareholders in the two spin-off companies, it's hard to imagine the shares are trading at just 54 cents on the CSE, barely above its all-time low of 50 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website at nextechar.com. Contact Evan Gappelberg, CEO, at 866-274-8493. For investor relations, contact Lindsay Betts at 866-274-8493, extension 7201, or by email at investors.relations@nextechar.com. I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media.